Hey guys, and welcome to another video of Liana Wallet tutorials and features. In this video, I will be showing you how to export an encrypted descriptor from your wallet, how to import it for restoring a wallet. So let's get to that. Once you open your Liana Wallet, head down here to settings, click on import and export option. You will find the first option as encrypted descriptor. Once you click on that, you can save the file into your system. It's liana.bed. And now you have that file. You can find it on your wherever you stored it on your system, and you can have multiple backups of it. But then if you want to restore, you only need to add an existing Liana wallet. I'm going to use my note here. It says import backup. So that means that you can actually use the encrypted descriptor file. I open it, it will decrypt the backup file with my ledger that is connected here. It's very seamless. Now I just head on next and it will restore the wallet for me. Thanks for watching this video, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Also, you can ask your questions in our Telegram community, which you can find the links for it both on our website and down below in the description of this video. See you next time.